Welcome to the Moshiach Medical Minute. In previous episodes, we discussed how one is not obliged to heed a doctor's advice to give oneself or one's child the COVID vaccine, or any vaccine for that matter. We pointed out how the Rebbe never said to vaccinate just because a doctor said so, but only if you have determined it to be objectively safe. Similar to how the Rebbe never recommended listening to doctors with regards to CAT scans for pregnant women, even if doctors vouched for its safety. But how is this consistent with the Rebbe's advice to listen to doctors on medical matters? So we observe that the jurisdiction of doctors applies to healing an individual patient, but not necessarily with regards to preventative measures. Now, the Rebbe did teach that prevention is also a form of healing, but only with regards to an individual, not for a population. And just because many contemporary doctors have embraced the notion of vaccinating everyone to achieve herd immunity, that does not make it a value in Jewish law, especially not when there is even the slightest risk of vaccine injury. Instead, the responsible preventative measures that doctors should now be widely promoting are strengthening the immune system with nutrients that help prevent COVID, like zinc with quercetin or chloroquine, as has been promoted by Dr. Zev Zelenko and many other expert physicians. By the Geula, there will no longer be any illness. So what will be the role of doctors at that time? Answer is that their role will be in prevention, not in curing. And the preventative health measures that will be at that time will most certainly not entail any risk, since the whole concept of sakana will no longer exist. Instead, they will advise us on how to maintain healthy immune systems through healthy lifestyle choices. In our times, on the threshold of Geula, our avodah ought to reflect what life will be like in the era of redemption. Consequently, we should pursue natural preventative measures which carry no risks, like the Zelenko protocol. And may we all proceed to the true and complete Geula, Gesundheit and Freiligkeit.